Welcome to the world of Java. Why syntax is your superpower. Welcome to the exciting world of Java programming. It's a landscape filled with opportunities to create, innovate, and solve complex problems. Get ready to embark on a journey that will transform the way you think about technology. Learning Java is like learning a new language, a language that allows you to communicate directly with machines. Just as you would study grammar and vocabulary to master a spoken language, you'll need to understand the rules and structure of Java, and those rules are called syntax. You need to know the syntax, the specific set of rules, to communicate effectively with your computer and tell it exactly what to do. Think of it as the key to unlocking the computer's potential. Syntax is the grammar of programming. It dictates how you structure your code, arrange your words, and form your commands. It's the backbone of every Java program. It's how we give clear, unambiguous instructions to the computer, ensuring that it understands exactly what we want it to do. Without correct syntax, your instructions will be lost in translation. Every symbol, every character, bracket, and semicolon matters. They each have a specific purpose and contribute to the overall meaning of your code. Mastering syntax lets you harness the full power of Java, build software, create complex systems, apps, design interactive experiences, and solve problems. It's the foundation upon which all your coding achievements will be built. Think of syntax as your instruction manual, your guide to writing code that the computer can understand and execute flawlessly. Put a piece in the wrong spot, forget a semicolon, or misplace a bracket, and things break. Your program won't run as expected, and you'll encounter errors. The computer follows your instructions exactly to the letter, so precision is key. Attention to detail is paramount in the world of programming. But don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. The rules are logical and consistent. There's a clear pattern and structure to Java syntax, making it easier to learn and remember. Once you get the hang of them, coding becomes second nature. With practice, you'll internalize the rules and be able to write code fluently. We'll start with the basics, the fundamental building blocks of Java programming. How to write a simple program. The hello world of the Java universe. Store information, use variables to hold data, and make your code do things. We'll explore how to control the flow of your program and create dynamic behavior. By the end, you'll be able to read and write simple Java code with confidence. You'll have a solid foundation upon which to build more advanced skills. This is your first step into the world of technology, a world brimming with possibilities. Let's take it one step at a time, building your knowledge and skills gradually. Ready to unlock your coding superpower? Are you ready to transform your ideas into reality? Let's get started. The journey begins now. Syntax is your foundation. Let's build on it, brick by brick, line by line. Let's embark on your Java programming journey by writing your very first program. We'll start with something simple, a program that introduces you to the world of Java coding. Hello world, this is a rite of passage for every programmer, no matter their language of choice. This classic program simply and elegantly prints hello world to the screen. It's a foundational step, a building block upon which you'll construct more complex and exciting applications. Here's what it looks like, the code that brings this greeting to life. Public class hello world. This line declares a class named hello world. In Java, everything resides within a class. Public static void, main string, args. This is the main method, the entry point of your program. The computer starts executing your code from here. System out println, hello world. This line is the heart of the program. It tells the computer to print the text, hello world, to the console. The class is your program's container. Think of it as a folder for your code. It organizes and encapsulates all the related parts of your program. The main method is where your program starts running. It's the designated starting point, the first instruction the computer executes. System.out.println prints text to the screen. It's your primary tool for displaying information to the user. Everything inside the parentheses and quotes is what gets displayed. This is known as a string literal, a sequence of characters that the program treats as text. Each part, class, method, and print statement follows Java's syntax rules. These rules are the grammar of the Java language, ensuring that the computer understands your instructions. The computer looks for the main method to begin execution. Without it, the computer wouldn't know where to start running your program. You've just written and understood your first Java program. Congratulations on taking this important first step. That's your first taste of coding success. Savor the moment, and let's build on this foundation. Let's keep going. The world of Java programming awaits. Next, let's break down the rules that keep your code running smoothly. Understanding these rules is crucial for writing error-free and efficient Java programs. Let's talk about Java's fundamental structure, the bedrock upon which all your programs will be built. Understanding this structure is crucial for writing code that not only works, but is also easy to read and maintain. We'll break down the key components that give Java its unique flavor and power. We'll be covering files, braces, and semicolons. These might seem like small details, but they are the essential building blocks of any Java program. Mastering these elements will set you on the path to becoming a proficient Java developer. Your file name must match your public class name exactly. This is a strict rule in Java. This convention ensures that the Java compiler can easily find and execute your code. For example, helloworld.java for class Hello World. If these names don't match, you'll encounter a compilation error, preventing your program from running. Curly braces group code together, creating blocks that define the scope and boundaries of different parts of your program. They are essential for defining where classes and methods start and end. Without them, the compiler wouldn't know how to interpret your code. Think of braces as fences marking boundaries in your code. They enclose code blocks, keeping everything organized and preventing code from bleeding into unintended areas. Semicolons end most statements, signaling to the compiler that a particular instruction is complete. They function like periods in a sentence, providing closure and clarity to each line of code. Forgetting a semicolon is a common beginner mistake, and it's something that even experienced programmers occasionally overlook. This simple omission causes errors, preventing your code from compiling and running correctly. The compiler will usually point out the missing semicolon, but sometimes the error message can be a bit cryptic. These rules, though seemingly small, keep your code organized and readable, making it easier for you and others to understand and maintain. File names, braces, and semicolons are the backbone of Java syntax, providing the structure and clarity needed for your programs to function correctly. Follow them diligently, and your code will run smoothly, avoiding frustrating compilation errors and unexpected behavior. Master these basics, and you'll build a solid foundation for your Java programming journey. With a firm grasp of these fundamentals, you'll avoid most common beginner errors, allowing you to focus on the more exciting aspects of programming. Now that we've covered the basic structure, let's move on to how Java stores information, a crucial aspect of any programming language. Next up, variables. These are the fundamental building blocks for storing and manipulating data in your Java programs. Ready to meet your first containers? These variables will hold the data your program needs to work with. Let's dive in and explore the world of variables in Java. Variables are containers for information in your program. Each variable has a name and a type. Int stores whole numbers. Int score equals sign 100. Double stores decimals. Double price equals sign 19.99. Char stores single characters. Char grade equals sign A. String stores text. String name equals sign Java. Boolean stores true or false. Boolean is game over equals sign false. Using the right type is crucial. Ints can't store decimals, for example. Variables let you store, change, and use information in your code. They're the building blocks for everything you'll create. With variables, your programs become dynamic and interactive. Let's see how to make your code more readable. Time to learn about comments. Comments are notes in your code for humans, not computers. Use // for single-line comments. Use for multi-line comments. Comments explain what your code does or why you made certain choices. Example, int score equal sign 100 / stores the player's score. Multi-line comments are great for longer explanations or disabling code temporarily. Good comments make your code easier to understand and maintain. They help you and others when revisiting code later. Commenting is a habit of professional programmers. Use comments to make your code clear and collaborative. Now, let's make your program smarter. Ready for control flow? Let's see how your code can make decisions. Onward. Real programs make decisions and repeat actions. This is control flow. Use if-else statements to choose between actions. If score equals sign 60, system out.println, you passed. Else, system out.println, try again. Loops repeat code. The for loop is common for int I equals sign 1, I equals sign 5, I++, system out println. The loop prints numbers 1 to 5. Control flow lets your programs react and repeat as needed. With if-else and loops, your code becomes powerful and flexible. Next, let's organize your code with methods. Methods make your code reusable. Let's see how. Methods are named blocks of code you can reuse. They keep your code organized and efficient. Example, public static void print greeting, system out println welcome. Call a method by its name, print greeting. Methods can take inputs, parameters, and return values. They help break big problems into smaller, manageable pieces. Methods are essential for clean, maintainable code. As you learn more, you'll see how methods and classes work together in Java. You've built a strong foundation in Java basics. Keep practicing and you'll be ready for more advanced concepts. Congratulations on starting your Java journey. See you in the next lesson. Happy coding!